All right, long entry in the dollar yen. There's a long entry in dollar yen. That's a short and a 6J. So as long as we see this pound and the euro continue to sell off against the dollar, we'll certainly have a very good chance to see the dollar rally against the yen. Interesting to note that these currencies aren't really moving off of the stock market moves at all. I mean, other than obviously on the jobs report, but since then, I haven't seen too much of it. So if we can see this euro on the pound take out the recent lows, odds are very high that dollar yen will take out the recent highs. Question about the stop in the 6J. Yeah, you're looking at about 07 on the 6J. But I doubt we'd give it that far. Just hanging around scratch here. So only position right now is long the dollar yen, which is short the 6J. If we see any significant upticks in the euro and the pound, then we'll look to get out of this dollar yen. Selling in the euro and the pound will be good for the dollar yen position. We're not quite sure what type of impact the stocks are going to have on these currencies, as it might be a little bit atypical compared to what we've seen the last few months, being that we had such big driving news that was dollar-based today. A couple downticks in the euro and the pound. I'm watching the stocks very closely because every time we see say a 4 or 6 tick move in the S&P, I want to immediately know how that's impacting these currencies, give us a better understanding of how we can utilize that relationship today, or what type of relationship exists. All right, now we're seeing a little bit of dollar strength come back in. If we can see a continuation of this dollar strength, we'll see the euro and pound down through the recent lows and the dollar yen up through the recent highs. There we go, nice little uptick in the dollar yen. Down ticks in the pound and the euro. Dollar yen trying to make a run at the recent highs, or I guess what would be the highs of the day. Still long this dollar yen, which is a short in the 6J. As the futures are reversed. Here we go. Euro in the pound trying to make a run, now lower. Kind of in favor of the stocks doing nothing right here, as I'm not too sure what type of impact a pop or sell in the stocks are going to have in these currencies. I'd rather they just kind of stay where they are and let this dollar strength continue to develop. That was a nice quick sell-off in the euro. Looks like there's no buyers in the euro. Might be a downdraft here. They might have a nice quick sell-off. Dollar yen on the highs right now. There we go. New highs in the dollar yen. Oh, there we go. All right, out of half in the dollar yen. Out of half. Exit on half in the dollar yen. All right. Yeah, I don't know where. Maybe like something like 22 ticks that was on the first half. Oh, this euro got killed. It's beautiful. Here we go. This dollar yen still going. Still got the second half of the dollar yen on. All right, still long half the position in this dollar yen. Watching for a reason to get out of it. I'm going to take these currency charts to a 5-second. Stocks are off the map right now, not considering any trades in them. Oh, this dollar yen is beautiful. All right. Watching very closely here for exit on the second half. Oh, euro in the pound still selling off, though. All right. Let's do exit in this dollar yen for everything. Flatten the dollar yen. So plus 22 on the first half on that trade and plus 38 on the second half. So average there of plus 30. So got a plus 18 in the euro this morning and a plus 30 in the dollar yen. Let's watch for more.